Hi, this video is about upgrading a remote control mini car. The latest version of the car had this steering wheel and an accelerator. The upgrade will remove both. I will use this remote and a tablet will be attached here. It should work this way. I put the batteries inside and added another battery for the servos. I fastened a camera with a rubber band, but I didn't like how it looked. I decided to change this. About the joysticks. The left one controls the camera movement, left and right, up and down. The right one controls the car, forward, backward, and left, right. It's all very simple and works fine, but there is a serious issue. I was short one PWM output. There are only 6 PWM outputs on the Arduino Nano, Uno, and Pro mini boards. The NRF24L01 radio module is connected to the 3 PWM outputs here. I need to use 4 more. I need 3 PWM outputs for the servo and another one for the motor control. I can either connect one more Arduino Nano or replace this board with an Arduino Mega, which has more PWM outputs. What should I do? I connected the NRF24L01 radio module CE end to the Arduino pin 10 and the CNS end to pin 9. These pins were the PWM outputs that I needed. It's possible to use any Arduino outputs for the NRF24L01 radio module ends if you rewrite the Arduino code. There are some minor changes in the code. The receiver and the transmitter codes are in the video description section. The receiver motor, Arduino Nano, 3 SG90 camera, up-down servo, L298N motor drive, rotation servo, NRF24L01 radio module, 3 18650 equals 12V, camera rotation servo. Connect the SG90 battery to the 5V power. You can use an 18650 battery. It's much easier to control the car now. The only problem is the Wi-Fi camera range, as it's only 7 meters. That's all for the car upgrade. Now, I'd like to announce a small contest. I've been invited to Maker Faire. It's a technology, creativity, and invention fest. A lot of people will bring their most interesting ideas, projects, and crafts that you can create at home. There is an entrance fee. I have 5 tickets to give out to the contest winners. The event will take place on November 14th in Kiev. Please participate in my contest if you can attend. The contest rules are in the video description section. Subscribe. If you don't know how to make a radio control car, follow the link and you can watch my video on how to make it. If you enjoyed watching the video, click like and subscribe to my channel. There will be more tutorials for you in the future. See you!